my gosh. Did you really get tickets to Bristol? And are you kidding, Medea? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. That's so nice. You guys should do this. Too much. Oh, that's so nice, honey. Thank you so much. Thank you, John.
No, not John. It's for, well, yeah.
This is from you.
Well, did you read it?
I read Marcy. Oh, it's Michael. Oh. Now listen, first the computer and then this. This is really too much. Is Michael going to go with us? Oh, how great. That is so great.
We couldn't think of anything that you would like more for your 80th birthday.
I've always said if there's one race, it would be that one. Thank you, love.